This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. 600 acres in beautiful Butte Valley with 2 operational quarry mines and so much more to offer. I can't wait to share with you. Come on. From the highest peak, we've got gorgeous views to the coastal range, Sutter Buttes, and Table Mountain Ecological Preserve. Plus, we're just 6 minutes from Lake Oroville. Though it's currently zoned Ag 160, just imagine this bucolic setting as the potential location for 1-acre residential parcels. Plus an expansive second potential building site or plenty of opportunity for agriculture and livestock. And on top of all of that, you have just about a mile of beautiful dry creek running through the entire property. Contact me today and let's get you invested into this amazing opportunity.